Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get the new Roblox update. Now if you want to the latest version of Roblox and all of the new features that comes with the latest version, there are two different steps that we can throw, one to update it and then one to force update the Roblox app if you want to force it to install all of those new features. The very first option is just to head into the App Store and then we'll tap on search at the bottom right here and then we'll search for Roblox. Now once that pulls up, you can see right next to Roblox, if it says update, then just tap update to the latest version of Roblox. If it says open, then you have the latest version and all of the latest features. However, as I said before, sometimes you need to force update the app to really get all of the features, because sometimes it doesn't always quite work or there's some might be some glitches or bugs in it. So to do that, we are gonna go to hop out and here we are going to open up our settings here and then scroll down until you find general and tap on general, and then you can see midway down is iPhone storage. We'll tap on that. Now we'll wait until all of these apps load up and we'll search for Roblox. So scroll down until we find Roblox. There it is, and then we can offload this app and reinstall the app. This doesn't remove any of your games or your profile or anything, but it force resets to the latest version of Roblox and installs the newest update so that you can have all of those new features. So once that's done installing here, you can tap on it and update the Roblox and go back to playing your games. So hope you find the solution. If you did, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.